look round and round the salad bar. Sounds like a long exercise. And we reach and left. Very good. I love that plain baked potato. I like it. It's great on this exercise. Okay, I've got pasta salad on my plate, which brings us to the last exercise.
Setup, plus my dad's printer, and then here's my dad's computer setup and mom's.
See here, we have a printer, a monitor, computer, disk drive, computer.
Dad, can you come? Actually, this is right here. Okay, this right here is both cake and breakfast buns. Those are good. Uh-oh, I get fired. See what happens when I get fired.
You're fired. One time I can see it.